In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, explains an important teaching of Islam, namely, the most honorable and best person is the one who possesses the most piety. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 13.
O mankind, indeed the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you.
This is when one strives to fulfill the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refrains from his prohibitions and faces destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Unfortunately, the devil has tricked many women into debating the status of women compared to men. Even though Islam has granted women such honor as no other institution or faith ever has, such as placing paradise, which is the ultimate bliss, beneath the feet of a woman, namely one's mother. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 3106. In another narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3895, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the best man is the one who treats his wife the best. There are countless other examples. But the point to note is that women should not be bothered about comparing themselves to men, as this is not what Allah, the Exalted, desires. Instead, women should strive to adopt piety, and if they achieve it, then they will be superior to every man or woman who possesses less piety than them. This is the benchmark which separates who is superior. And it is clear from this verse that it is not only restricted to men. If one turns the pages of history, they will observe great female Muslims who concentrated on this important task, instead of arguing and debating about the differences between men and women. And as a result, they became better than the vast majority of men and women. Even if Muslim women were granted all the rights they dreamed of even then, it would not make them superior to others until they adopted piety. This is quite evident when one observes the news and those who behave as they please. And this reality will be made crystal clear in the next world. Therefore, if a Muslim desires to be superior to others, they should seek it in piety, not in arguing and debates.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.